Hey there guys, it's me, Packboy, and today we're doing another Nerf review. I haven't done one of these in a while. It's going to be the new Nerf Nailbiter. It's a really cool gun, actually. I don't know what you call this. It's a screen-fed gun. Screen-powered. It is automatic, semi-auto, I guess. You don't have to prime it in any way. It's just similar to a nail gun. Hence the name Nailbiter. Shoot like that, semi-auto. It's really cool. It doesn't shoot very good at all. I did use my Chrono barrel because it has a attachment for it to see what the FPS was on it, and I usually get about 55 FPS, which is not very good. But it can be easily improved because there's no catch springs you have to worry about. You don't have to reinforce anything. It's just you can like brass this. That's really cheap. Get a spring upgrade, and I already saw on Thingiverse a 3D printable mag or clip. It was 10 rounds. This is 8 rounds. This gun right now is selling for I think $20. I got mine at Target. So far, I've really liked it. It does not shoot very far, or very powerfully, if that's a word. It does have one attachment rail here on the bottom, if you want to put a scope there. I would like to compliment Hasbro, though, because this is not just a, I don't know if the word is, symmetrical Nerf gun. Each side of the shell is different molded. You can see here that there are, like, gears, and on the other side, it's got that, and I think the overall design of this gun is really aesthetically pleasing. The colors are not as good as I would have wanted them to be, though. I mean, this in green would definitely have been interesting. I don't know, that's just personal taste, though. I think I will eventually paint mine, maybe metallic, like scraped red, something like that. Not sure, though. Overall, this is a very fun gun, very cheap too, especially when compared to other Nerf guns that are out on the line right now, like $15 for a single-shot pistol jolt, essentially. I mean, there's no competition. It's really a good gun all around, but I've noticed that when you do not use the darts that come with it, it does not shoot as far, or with used darts. The seal on the clip, and it is a clip, it's not a magazine. The seal on the clip is not good because when you're putting the dart in, there's no friction until the very last part right about here. So most of the barrel, if that's what you'd call it, there's no friction between the dart and the barrel, which is not good, but you could brass it relatively easily. There is a stock point on it. I have used a stock with it. It's just not my thing. I mean, it doesn't make sense either. It just looks so much better using it like this. It has gotten jammed on me a few times. Well, like twice. Just today, which is kind of surprising. Disappointing, obviously. But overall, I think that this gun is very unique, a very good gun for the price. If you're interested in purchasing it, I would definitely recommend. It is still a new release. It came out like a few weeks ago, I think. I did order it off Target's website and then just picked it up at the store. I would recommend to do the same thing. Yeah, overall, on a scale of 1 to 10, 10 being the best Nerf gun ever, 5 being mediocre, just like standard, and 0 being unusable trash. I think this would come in at about 8, 8.5. It's a very overall good gun. I mean, there is not much to complain about besides ranges, but if you do mod Nerf guns, it would be very easy to do. Even if you've never modded a Nerf gun before, if you buy the right brass and, you know, you have the tools to cut it, it would be a very cheap mod to do. And the spring upgrade for like $5 would give you like 15 more feet per second. So overall, I would recommend this gun. Yeah, I think that's about it. I hope I didn't miss anything. One thing I would like to say though is the grip on it is not very comfortable. The trigger pull, it's very light, very easy. So doing a spring upgrade would not hinder it too badly. But with the handle on it, I don't think it's very comfortable. I think your hand would get worn out because when you pull the trigger back, it's priming and firing the gun. So it's not like a strike where, you know, there is a spring meant to hold it back. The spring holding this back is the same spring that is propelling the Nerf dart. So that is something to keep in mind. But I think that's about it. Until next time, this is Pat Boy, signing out.
And now for your bonus video of the day.
If I'm walking over, then why are you all dressed up?
I was waiting
Quit
to
me
meet
behind
my
you, buddy.
girlfriend's dad.